Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Starting a skincare business can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance and resources, it's definitely doable. So, whether you're a skincare enthusiast or an aspiring entrepreneur, stay tuned for some valuable insights. Today, I'm excited to share with you my tips and tricks for Segment 2, Formulating Skincare Products Once You've Conducted Your market. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Developing your own skincare product line is an exciting and rewarding journey, but it takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. Remember to stay focused, stay motivated, and always put your customers first. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more skincare business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Segment 1, Conducting Market Research. Segment 4, Launching your product line. After months of hard work, you're finally ready to launch your skincare product line. In this segment, I'll show you how to launch your product line online, partner with influencers to promote your products, and provide exceptional customer service to create a loyal customer